If you're pruning overgrown trees, harvesting juicy tomatoes, or hanging those impossible-to-reach fairy lights, the right ladder can be the difference between a productive day and a trip to the ER. But with so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in a tangled mess of rungs and weight capacities. That's why we're here today to share our picks for the best ladder for gardening. In this video, we'll be reviewing the best ladder for gardening on the market, considering factors like comfort, durability, and overall value. Number 1. SocTone SL5008 5-Step Ladder. This ladder weighs just 23 pounds, making it easy to carry and move around. It also folds up compactly for easy storage. The ladder is made of high-quality steel and features a safety lock designed to keep it in place while you're using it. It also has non-slip feet and pedals to prevent accidents. The ladder has a wide top platform and a soft sponge-covered handle for comfort and stability. This ladder can be used for a variety of tasks around the house. Number 2. HBTower 50001 Folding 5-Step Ladder. The ladder is made of rust-resistant steel and has a safety locking mechanism to keep it secure while you're using it. The top stand-in platform is 14.6-inch wide into 9.9-inch deep, giving you plenty of room to stand comfortably. The ladder has a built-in tool platform to accommodate tool equipment and reduce the number of times you have to climb up and down. The ladder has non-slip rubber hand grips and pedals to prevent slipping and falls. The ladder folds easily for storage and transportation. Number 3. WOA WOA 4-Step Folding Ladder. The ladder is made of thick aluminum material and has a triangle support structure for added stability. The ladder can be folded flat and weighs only 11.7 pounds, making it easy to carry and store. The ladder folds down to just 1.8 inches wide, so it can be easily stored behind a door or under a sofa. It has wide non-slip pedals and rubber feet for safety. It can be used for a variety of tasks, such as reaching high shelves, changing light bulbs, or painting walls. Number 4. VEVOR DLT218F 18.5 feet Aluminum Ladder. The ladder is made of thickened aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and has a maximum load capacity of 400 pounds. It is also ANSI and EN131 certified, so you can be sure it's safe to use. It has a top anti-slip sleeve and bottom anti-slip foot design to protect walls and floors. The ladder is lightweight and compact when folded, making it easy to carry and store. The ladder has an extended height of 18.5 feet, making it suitable for a variety of professional and home use applications. Number 5. Delxo Portable 3-Step Folding Ladder. The Delxo ladder features enlarged, non-slip pedals and a locking hole mechanism for added safety. The rubber feet also help to prevent the ladder from shifting. The ladder folds down to just 1.6 inches thick, making it easy to store and transport. It also weighs only 11.5 pounds, so it's easy to carry around. It can be used for a variety of tasks, both indoors and outdoors. It's perfect for reaching high shelves, cleaning windows, painting, and more. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tool tips and reviews. Remember, the best ladder is the one that makes you feel safe, secure, and ready to conquer any gardening challenge. Anyway, if you have any favorite ladders or gardening hacks, share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening!